Alright guys, I'm going to do a little video tonight. As you guys can see, I'm feeling much better tonight. And guys, I'm going to be doing a little update video tonight. I started restoration on my fan. I was at the antique shop on Saturday, also known as East Benton Trading Company. And I happened to pick up a nice fan for 20 bucks. Alright, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the fan. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can watch my initial checkout video that I did on this fan. It is either a 1940s or 1950s, I think. I don't remember. But all we know for sure, it's model 77646-SU. And I'm going to give you guys a little restoration update on it. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So we're here at my grandpa's house, and I stay here overnight. But I just want to give you guys a little fan update. So if you guys want to check out my initial checkout video, I will put a link in the description below, and so you guys can see it. All right, it's a really good fan. Okay? All right. So guys, this is the first part of the restoration that I'm doing right now. I'm currently sanding off the old paint job on the motor, and I'm also gonna chip the paint off the blades. Well, scrape it off technically. Sorry, guys. I let a little there. So, sorry. But anyway, guys, it's a fantastic fan. It was, I want to say it's 1950s. So you guys go ahead and comment down below what you think of my other video where you did the initial checkout on it. And, guys, I did fix the balancing issue. So, when we did our initial checkout video last night, you guys see on the fan was on spin down. It did this to the computer. It shook it. All right, when it was about, I think like 450 RPM, something like that. I don't know. But you guys could tell me, you guys know your fans and stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know how the restoration's going. And guys, we're also going to do another video shortly here. And I'll also put a link in the description for that one as well. We're going to be checking out my 2017 127 scale model Ford F-150 Raptor. All right, so I'll put a description down. I'll put a link in the description as well, so you can check that out. But anyway, guys, that's the update, and out.